Caryn here at Eat From E3. So something came up that we thought we'd share with you today. So we share our office bathroom with the pollinator group. And when they came back to work, they were concerned about hygiene. So we came up with this plan. We're going to use our Wash, which is an organic liquid soap with an essential oil blend that focuses on the antiviral essential oils, Resilience blend. And we brought in the surface sanitizer, which is 70% isopropyl, with again the added benefit of Resilience, the antiviral essential oils. So anytime somebody comes into the bathroom, all they have to do is after they wash their hands or before, take the surface sanitizer and spray. Spray everything that you may have touched that's around. You don't even have to wipe down, so it's really nice and easy. And it actually keeps everything shiny and clean. All right, thanks so much for your question. Stay safe, stay healthy.